Hey guys, it's summer season, and I'm pretty sure your bed also gets dry and itchy during this weather. But it's scientifically proven that having a bed in summer helps you protect from heat and sun rays, and it helps you keep cool too. You know what? Let me actually show you how you can take good care of your bed this summer season. Now, the first thing is to make sure you're keeping it clean, which means using a good bed wash and washing it regularly. Now, you also have to moisturize it, which means using a good bed oil and massaging it regularly, especially before you go to bed, as it also helps with bed growth. Now, using a good bed brush or a comb is an essential thing because it helps you get rid of all the dead hair and stimulates good hair growth in your bed. Now, using an excessive amount of hair products and beard products can also lead, damaging your hair. Now, the other thing would be increasing your water intake, especially in summers as you tend to sweat a lot. So, just because it's a little hot out doesn't mean you have to cut and trim your bed. I hope this was helpful, guys. Make sure you save and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.